Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable credit freezes with Equifax online, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Equifax website at www.equifax.com. Locate the Credit Report Assistance section on the homepage. Click on the option for Credit Freeze. You'll be directed to the Credit Freeze section. Select Get Started or Place a Credit Freeze. Sign in to your Equifax account if you have one. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new account. Provide your personal information, including your social security number and date of birth. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once verified, you'll find the option to place a credit freeze. Review the terms and conditions provided. If you agree, continue to the next step. Choose your PIN or password for the credit freeze. Make sure to save this information securely. Submit your request to enable the credit freeze. Check for a confirmation message or email from Equifax. Keep the confirmation for your records. Your credit freeze is now activated. You can revisit this process anytime to manage or lift the freeze. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.